Buying a home is like a game of chess, and the right home buying team knows how to make the right moves that'll move you and yours into your castle with ease. Let's talk the pieces to your piece. Number one is yourself. You're the royalty, the crown after the castle. Good news, the right team makes it less complicated than you think. All you have to do is three simple things. One, figure out your wants and needs. Two, communicate with your team so you don't sabotage yourself. And three, most importantly, send your documents. If you can't prove something, it simply doesn't exist. The rest of your home buying team advances the board for you by strategizing and executing based on your wants and needs. Number two is your realtor. They find your new home and or master negotiators. They're the rook that moves forward and pivots by neighborhood. They line up your wants and needs with your capability and take the shot that's your offer. Once your offer is accepted, the seller then draws up the contract for you to buy the home. That's when number three goes into play, your attorney/title company. They're the knight, their job is to protect you. They make sure the property is what it claims to be and the paperwork is in order. Your attorney reviews the contract and requests any changes that you want in it. Number four is your mortgage person. We're the bishop that defines the capability. We move diagonally out of sight, the money magic behind the scenes that has to preemptively foresee any potential guideline issues, and then match and structure your file and profile with the best program for the best rate. In short, the mortgage is the money the seller takes to give you the keys. Communication between all members of your home buying team is essential to effortlessly close on a great deal. DM me the word workbook and I'll send over a free copy of my interactive first-time homebuyer workbook. No strings, blessings.